You imported a beautiful kitchen island, but after applying the material, it looks completely flat. Most beginners delete the model and start searching the Coohom library again. But what if I told you don't need to? Today, I'll show you how to edit any imported SketchUp or 3ds Max kitchen island directly inside Coohom. And then we'll decorate the entire kitchen like a professional. Welcome back to the Kitchen Design Series. This is Class 4. In the previous class, we designed our kitchen. Today, we'll customize the kitchen island and complete the decoration. Let's get started. The first step is importing the 3D model. If you don't know how to import SketchUp or 3ds Max models into Coohom,
Nope.
you can watch the previous tutorial first. Once your model is imported, open the Decor section. Go to the Personal tab. Here, you'll find your imported model. Simply drag it into your project. Now position the island according to your kitchen dimensions. Take your time here, because proper placement makes the entire kitchen feel balanced. Now switch to the 3D view. Select the material brush, pick the same countertop material and apply it to the imported island. But you may notice something strange. The material looks completely flat. It doesn't match the rest of the kitchen at all. At this point, most beginners think, maybe I should delete this model and use one from the Coohom library instead. Don't do that. There's a much better solution. One feature inside Coohom solves this problem completely. Whenever you import a SketchUp or 3ds Max model, you can actually edit it directly inside Coohom. Just select the imported island. Click the small pop-up icon. Coohom will ask if you want to switch to editing mode. Click Confirm. Now the custom modeling tool opens. This allows you to edit imported models almost like you would inside SketchUp. If you see two kitchen islands stacked on top of each other in the custom modeling tool, there's no need to worry. It's just a temporary network issue, which is why this happened. Now simply sample the countertop material and click on the island surface. Instantly, the material updates correctly. No texture scaling, no complicated settings, no need to re-import the model. This is one of the most useful features in Coohom for working with custom models. But here's one important thing you should know. If your SketchUp model wasn't grouped correctly before exporting, material editing and adjustments may not work properly. However, if the model is organized with proper groups and components, Coohom can edit it smoothly, just like you've seen here. Now let's customize the island even further. We're going to create a niche for a bar sink. First, use the guide tool to mark the exact position. Then draw a rectangle where the sink will go. Use the push tool to pull the rectangle downward. Create the opening in the center. Once everything looks correct, click Finish. Just like that, your custom island is ready. Now open the public library. Search for a bar sink. Drag it onto the island and adjust it according to your design. Make sure it fits nicely within the countertop dimensions. Next, let's add bar stools. Choose any style that matches your kitchen theme. Now, here's another feature that saves a lot of time.
What?
Most beginners duplicate chairs one by one, but Coohom has a much faster way. It's called the Array tool. Select your bar stool, click the pop-up corner, or access the Array tool from the top toolbar. Drag from the first stool to the point where you want the last stool. Then simply enter the number of copies. Click Confirm, and instantly all the stools are perfectly spaced. If you'd like a complete tutorial on the Array tool, check out the dedicated video linked in the description. Now it's time for my favorite part, decoration. Add accessories, plants, kitchen items, small decorative pieces. And watch how quickly this kitchen transforms from an empty model into a realistic living space. That's one of the biggest reasons so many designers enjoy working inside Coohom. Its tools make professional-looking designs much faster to create. If you're still using the basic plan, this is a great time to upgrade. Use my promo code HOMEDESIGNER to get up to 73% off the Coohom Pro plan. And if you're upgrading to the Elite plan, use promo code HDELITE to get an additional 10% off. You'll find both links in the description. In the next class, we'll finish this kitchen by setting up lighting, creating realistic renders, and exporting the final presentation. I'll see you in the next video.